Have you just got yourself the Janome Atelier 9? And I've had mine for about 3 years. So this video is, it's just like a catch up, because I've made a few other videos on the Atelier 9, but I haven't used it for a while, especially the embroidery section. So I just decided, why don't I just, invite my friends, so we can just have a chat while, I'm at it. So anyhow, for anybody who's just got it, I'm using the embroidery section today. So this is what the unit comes in. This well protected, and yeah. So I thought, you know what, it would be a good idea just to catch up again. So hello, I'm Stana, and welcome. And this is why I share lots of sewing ideas and tips and whatever else in between. So like I said, I've been invited to teach a aromatherapy session next month, and I'm just making a t-shirt with my logo on it. Embroidering my logo on the t-shirt is what I mean to say. So yeah, so that's why I thought, you know what, let me just make a short video, especially for those who have not got, or who have got the machine, who are thinking about it, or who haven't used the embroidery section yet. So this is what it's all about. On my other video, I share on my other channel, sorry, I share my holistic health tips, and it's called Chronicles with Senna. So anyhow, so this is how the unit goes on. This is the back of the machine. Sorry, this is the back of the machine. So basically it just slides onto this groove, and then it clicks in place. So it's on, and of course it's done while the machine is off. So I will turn the machine around and show you some things I do, or probably, let me just turn it on and then show you how I get the arm out. Okay, so there's a lever here which you just press, and then the arm comes out. Okay, so I'm gonna turn the camera around and then we'll continue. So one thing with this machine, it comes with two throat plates. The wide one, with the for regular sewing, and then you've got the single needle throat plate. So I've changed it because when you want to do embroidery, you have to put the single needle throat plate. I also I'm going to put the embroidery foot on now, and then I use the 7511 blue tip needle for this. So let's see, which one should I do first? Should I put the needle in? I think I will do the I will put the pea foot. Of course I have to take the presser foot holder off, and then put this one on. What I like about this machine is that you can keep the embroidery unit on and, do regular sewing as well. You don't have to take it off like my other machine. You have to take it off before you do regular sewing. So yeah, I find that quite handy. Okay, I'm gonna stick on the I'm gonna put on the needle. 7511 blue tip. Make sure I'm putting it in the right way to be quite honest. Okay, just have to lock it first before I end up sewing my finger. So yeah, I've already also reeled some bobbin thread. I've got a full spool of bobbin thread, and I'm gonna stick this in now. What else do I need to do? Okay, so now as you can, I don't know if you can see the screen properly. Oops, pardon my so now it's still on the sewing mode, so I'm just gonna put it into embroidery mode. Switch to embroidery, yes please. Okay, thank you. No, so yeah, so what I'm going to do now is I haven't programmed the design yet, so I'm going to program the design. Resume that pattern. No, I don't. So I'm going to program a new design, and no, this is not the I'm using a SQ14A, so it's showing me that I'm using the bigger hoop, which is not the truth. So I'm gonna go here and choose the SQ14A hoop. That's the size I'm using. I want to believe it's SQ14. Yes, that's the one I'm using. So okay, so I'm just gonna program the design in real quick, and then I'll be back. Okay, so I've done my design. Drops of bliss. I believe it will be upside down for the camera at the moment, but anyways, drops of bliss. And I want to reduce the size to the smallest, which goes all the way to 80. All right, so that's it. So then what I'm gonna put the thread in, and I want to do a tack down stitch. Usually when I'm doing, especially working on stretchy fabrics, I usually like to do a tack down stitch. Because it helps to prevent the fabric from shifting. So yeah, so let's see, tack down, where do I go? Yeah, it's been a while since I did this, so since I used this machine. Let me just say okay, let's see if this will give me the tack down. Yes, so this brings me to the tack down, and I would want like a double tack down. Okay, so checking to make sure that I haven't cut anything in place. I mean, everything is okay. All right, so here we go. Have I done everything correct? Make sure that I tighten this presser foot as much as I can. Okay, make sure the needle is secure. It seems like it is. All right, so I'm gonna press start. Okay. All right, so I will be pausing the video for now and just get it to just cut away this jump stitch. Oh, I need tweezers. Okay. Okay, everything is okay. All right, so now we go back. So I'll just get it to start and then ready to sew. Okay, so I'm gonna pause the video and then I'll be back. But I hope you have enjoyed my brief my brief tutorial, so to speak, and I'll be back. Okay, so here's the finished product. Yeah, I know it's upside down. Sorry, sorry about that. But yeah, it says drops of bliss. So I'll neaten it up and take a picture of it, and it will be on the thumbnail, so you'll get to see it properly. Yeah, so anyhow, I hope you have enjoyed spending some time with me. Kindly subscribe or share if you enjoyed and you want to know more about the Janome Atelier 9. I will gladly you know, share whatever questions you have if you have just got this machine. It is really a pleasure to use. I've had it for some years now, and it's a joy to use. So anyhow, it's all about, you know, using our passions, enjoying what we love to do. Sewing is one of the things I love to do, besides my complementary health therapy practice as well. I just feel that, you know, when we incorporate our hobbies and our passions, it makes life worth living. You know, it may all the challenges and all the things that we go through, we are able to. I find, you know, when I enjoy my passions, it's definitely is therapy for me. You know, sewing is definitely therapy. You know, doing my practice as a complementary health therapist is also another blessing. So yes, so kindly share what passions you have if you don't mind. Lots of love. See you again. Bye bye.